Hi everyone, this is Alming Vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my customer that he have this ingrown that it's a U shape, and it was very painful and it's digging in the skin, so that's why we need to have some patience to remove it slowly, so he will not get some trauma to remove this ingrown. Okay, and also he is also complaining his the tools that there is some fungus on that, so we need to treat also that one, and we do something to remove the fungus and treated it later on. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy watching my video today. Okay mga guys, this is the one I told you that this ingrown, it was digging and sticking in the skin, so I need to treat it and remove it very slowly because I can see my customer, he have that too much pain. Okay, so I will try my very best to remove this without any pain and also without bleeding it. So it's really difficult, but I will try my very best to remove it. And you can see it, how the skin, it goes with the nails. That's why it's really need for treatment patiently. Okay mga guys. Okay mga guys, I got it, and you can see how is it, it's really in a U shape, or V shape, but I can see that, see how is it the nails, so that's why he have this too much pain in the skin when it's, especially when it's squeezing. So alhamdulillah, we did it and removing it without any pain to the customer and also without bleeding. And now the rest is we need to remove all the cuticle and too much dry skin. And as you can see later on, all the tools, the small tools, they're having also ingrown and too much dry skin. And with this, it needs slowly to remove it, so it will make the painless, and also it will give the satisfaction for our customer. Okay mga guys? Mga guys, the small one there is also ingrown, and you can see it's very thick ingrown and it's sticking also, but because it was in the small toe, so I don't have any problem while removing it, because easily we can remove it. And there is also too much dry skin. Okay, and then the other one, oh my god, there is also fungus on that, and we need to treat it and slowly removing the fungus, because he told me that when he's trying to cut these nails before, he have this electric, same like current that in the nerves. So that's why I need to do my best, my very best, to cut it and treat it and remove it slowly without paining. Okay mga guys? Now mga guys, I'm going to clean these tools that there is fungus, and I need to treat it and cut it and remove the ingrown slowly, because there is already current on these nails. And then you know, the skin inside, it really making already a big hump on the nails. That's why you cannot cut it slowly, you know, straight away. You need to cut it slowly and remove also the skin, the dead skin, because it's already making too much bump on that. So that's why we cut it slowly and treated it very patiently. Okay mga guys, so please enjoy watching. done already. So I'm giving massage and put some moisturizer cream to give some relaxation for my customer, and also giving some treatment for the nails and soft, and also the customer will give some satisfaction. Okay mga guys, so as you can see, the fungus and the ingrown, it remove very easily and without any pain and bleeding. Okay mga guys, so hope you like my video today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share. Okay, ciao for now, bye.